DirectFix.com presents
the HTC Desire HD Take-Apart Directions. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
To begin, we're going to remove the small plastic cover on the bottom of the back of the phone. Remove any SIM cards or memory cards that are inside the phone. Next, we're going to remove the battery cover on the side of the phone. Use a thin blade or similar object to remove this cover over the camera flash. Using a T5 Torx driver, remove 5 screws. Carefully remove the volume control buttons from the frame. Now you can slide the back cover off. Remove 5 more T5 Torx screws. Remove this small plastic cover from the bottom of the phone. Disconnect the long white and black wires from their connectors on the top of the logic board. Remove this small metal shield from the bottom of the battery compartment. Remove the vibrating motor from its well. Disconnect the speakers from the top of the logic board. The long cable is for the main speaker, the other cable is for the ear speaker. Disconnect the screen connector from the bottom of the logic board. Now remove the speaker from its well. Underneath where the speaker was is a small Phillips screw. Remove. You can now remove both the top and bottom portions of the logic board. Use a heat gun or blow dryer to loosen the adhesive holding the screen in its frame. With your adhesive loosened, you can carefully pry the screen out of its frame. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.